Pili na kayo ng first five nyo. Okay, okay.
Oo, black. Kaya daw may black ka na. Gago ko pa. Oh, yan. Pure orange naman siya.
Yung walang number, meron ditong ano, big jersey.
Medyo nag-send ka na ba list dito? Nag-send ka na list dito. List na dito.
Doon sa GC lang.
Sige ako na.
Pero meron na, yung naka... Habol yung ano, sabi ko sa'yo si Vic eh. Habol yun. Sa red siya. Kulang, di ba? Yan na lang siya. Yung black, kompleto. May ano ka pa dyan? May maupuan ka pa dyan?
Ito na naman ko. Ay, okay.
Oo.
Okay na? Okay ka naman? Ma! Eje! Kamakray! Lupot na ako, lupot na. Wala naman sa dito.
Ito. Charge ka? Type-C, Type-C.
Ito ako, hindi ka na-start. Paano yan, Jay? Ganun
Dito
na
na.
siya.
Bawal. Bawal sounds dito, bawal sounds.
First time, JJ, first time. Uy, mic mo nga first. Hindi mga mic mo nga lahat. Doon na, 3. Wala mo, pangit mo. Agala.
First five, both teams. Tapos yung mga hikaw po patanggal, yung mga bracelet,
Bulitas.
bulitas, whatever yung mga yung nakakasagabal po. Thank you po. First five, both teams.
Sino video? Wala. Paano na kayo? Ito. Okay na? Sige ka lang na.
Okay, game.
Wala po.
Asa yun mo? Okay. Sige, ako na.
Hindi, walang quarter.
Hindi, wag na quarter pa ba? Saan mo quarter? Saan quarter dito?
Baka ng mga map. Ayun na ba tayo mo pa? Ito.
Game.
Wala start bossing. Penya, yun mo. Nag-15 yung ano.
2 points.
Bago ba tayo mag-start?
Hindi, mano-mano lang yung ano.
2 points na dito.
Okay. Same ball. 40 seconds to shoot.
Lagyan mo ng something sobrang hina lang. Yung instrumental pa rin.
Number 1. Jumper, no good. Rebound, 43. Save the ball. Number 1, no. Number 1 takes. Pass to his teammates. Elbow. Good. Shot clock violation.
Steal by RJ. Christopher to RJ. To number 47 for 3, no good. Rebound by Black. Number 15, Derecho to number 4, Phoenix. Number 15, nope. Rebound by red team. Christopher, floater, no basket. Rebound by Black. Number 1, dribbling to 15. Against number 10 to number 1 to number 9. Elbow shot, no basket. Rebound by number 18. Mabarnes, number 47. For 3, no good. Pasa pala, basket. Score 4-0. Two points. 12 minutes, 24. Christopher to RJ. Floater, pasa. Basket sa ilalim. 6-2. Black team tayo. Your step, basket is good. 6-4, Christopher to the cup. Basket is good by Christopher.
Na-connect mo?
Black team. Shot, no basket. Rebound by RJ against 43. To 16. Hala press for 3. No. Rebound by number 4. Steal by number 10. 11 minutes 20. Basket by number 18. 10-4 in favor of red. Three points by number 9.
Pangalan yan. Sabihin mo ang pangalan para...
Christopher. Sa ilalim. Good. 10 minutes, 55. 12-7. Favor of red. Number 9. Pass sa gilid. Number 15 for 3. Basket by number 15. Vincent. 3 points, no. Rebound by number 9 against Christopher. Number 9, derecho. Number 9 again, basket. Jelly layup by number 12. All 12 tayo. Change 5 tayo, change 5. 14-12. Change 5. 14-12 in favor of Black. Running time tayo every quarter.
Kahit yung NBA, Orlando. Pero Lakers.
Ferrer. Number 17. No.
Dito na, pa. Black, ha? Oo. Kuha ka dito jersey. May jersey kang dala? Meron. Okay, good.
Number 21 against Ferrer. 21 to RJ. RJ naganap ng kampe sa number 22, elbow lefty. Rebound. Kuha na number 19, RJ. Ferrer to his teammate, no basket. Rebound again by Black, na steal ng Red. Red, number 21. 21. Foul, Black foul. Number 7 is first team foul.
Ano ba? Red ba? Red ba to si Vic?
Red ba siya? Okay daw.
Sige, red mo na yan pag kulang.
Ano ang pinilo?
Enriquez.
Basket.
Tapos wala akong jersey na rin.
Meron dito, meron pa.
Ganito sila. Ano, akala ko doon sila. Mali ako ng oras.
Sabi ko sa'yo, ikaw yun eh.
Number 1.
Kaya 5 minutes time out, pwede?
Yup. One timeout per quarter lang tayo.
21 basket and 1. 16-14. Bonus shot by Red.
Kuha lang dito, Vico. May sizes dyan, oh.
Foul number 17 is second team foul by Black. Bonus shot by number 21. Basket. Score natin 17-14.
Yung kanina 5 minutes pa lang yun.
Oh, 5 minutes. Pero isang quarter, 15 minutes.
Oo nga pala.
5 minutes, 5 minutes. Pero isang timeout lang kayo.
3 points by Ferrer. All 17. Red team tayo. 22. Pass to 21. Fakes. Traveling by number 21. Black ball. 7 minutes 30.
160, 160.
43. Fakes to number 2. Medyo na steal. 14 to shoot.
May ako nabigay yung 60.
22 all the way to the cup. 18-17 in favor of Red. Number 1, floater. No good. Rebound up. Nakuha sa mukha. Nagagawan. 21 against 1. 22 against 7. Good daw. Number 1 to Ferrer. To number 1 again. Basket by Black. 19-18 in favor of Black. Red team 6 minutes 30.
Number na.
Number 17. No basket. 219 RJ basket. Nice pass. 2019 in favor of Red. Steal by number 21. 21 block by number 47. 11 seconds to shoot.
May size yan. Nakalagay extra. Na 4XL. May mas
Ito.
medyo. Oh.
24.
Okay, 24 daw.
RJ basket easy lay in. 22-19 in favor of Red. Yup, 2 points. Red basketball, 5 minutes 41. Red team number 22. Dribbling, looking for teammates. Oh, behind the scene. Pass, wala. Black, 43. Dire-diretso. Black again, number 43. Pass sa kampe. Fakes, number 7. Steal by 21. Dumapa. 21. 5 minutes, 5 seconds. RJ. To Ferrer. Ferrer for 3. No. To number 17. Number 17 all the way. Pinasa kampe. Number 21. No good. Rebound. Kuha na number 17. Ferrer. Substitution. Change 5 tayo. Change 5.
Change 5 po, embargo, pasok na.
Iwan lang yung shooter. May shooter pa rin.
Change 5 po, change 5.
Sige, sige. Usap-usap kayo mga kampi kung sino papasok. Yan, yan, yan.
Phoenix, ano lang.
Red kayo? Orlando.
Bis na kayo, kulang tayo.
Okay, kahit NBA, pwede yan. No, walang copyright yan. Ito maganda. Okay, okay.
Black team time, fakes. Basket by Black. 21-22 in favor of red. Yeah, red. Three-point tayo sa red. Basket by Christopher. 3 points.
Doon, no? Pag sarado dyan, dito sa admin.
Dominic Ravini, nice call, red. 3 minutes 45 in favor of red. 25-21. 22 basket, dire-diretso. 27-21. 28 rather, sabi ng committee. Red team scores 28-21 in favor of red. 3 minutes 20. Isang timeout per quarter. Christopher. No. Kuha ng black. Albert. To number 7. To Dominic for 3. Carry shot. No. Rebound by Albert. Nakawa ni Vic. Baba daw. Set up daw kayo. Vic against Dominic. Vic to Christopher. Christopher for 3 again. Basket by Christopher. Score is 31-21 favor of red. Seven. Trap pass sa gitna. Kobe shot. No good. Rebound by Vic. 2 minutes 24. Beck. Trap pass sa campaign number 47. Fakes. Block! Black team. Fakes. No good. Rebound by Dominic. Dominic sa tres. Tumira. Basket by Dominic for 3. 24-31. Last 2 minutes sa first. Alacres. No good. 47. To Alacres again for 3. Basket. Back to back. Tatlong sunod. 34-24. Black team, Albert. Sakap. Basket by Albert. 26-34. Vic, set up daw. Trap pass to Alacres. Nice pass, no basket. Rebound by Black. Football pass to Dominic. Dominic sa tres again. Wala nakuha ang foul. 22. 1 minute 10. 22-47. Fakes. No. Kuha ni number 7. No, good daw. Number 7. Left shot. Basket. 28-34. Last 55 seconds. Red team. (47) Fakes, pinasa, give and go. To Alacres again, fakes. Christopher nakuha ng foul. Last 33 seconds. Basket by Christopher. 35-28. Last 33 seconds, the first quarter. Second attempt by Christopher. Basket is good. 36-28. Last 33 seconds. Dominic for 3 again. No, rebound by 21, red team. Last 22 seconds. Christopher, pang-apat ba yan? Basket! 3 points by Christopher. 39-28. Last 10 seconds. 7. 2 seconds. Nakakuha na foul. 47 first personal. Second team foul by red team. 2 shot.
Anong number niya?
Go basket.
32. 32. Wala. Lagyan mo ng 30.
End of the first quarter. Second quarter. Official score 39-28 in favor of red. Number 17 to number 3. Basket. 41-28. Drop pass, number 15. Basket is good by number 4. 30-41. Oh, sorry. Bawas na natin. Three points, no basket. Rebound by Black. Number 4, no. Rebound. Number 17, power move. Nakakuha na foul. Foul by number 43. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 shot by Joel.
Kabigas.
Boss Joel, no good. Score is 41-30. Favor of red. No basket. Number 1 to 15 for 3. Nope. Rebound by red. Number 12. Number 18 rather. Pinasa sa number 3. Sandali lang daw. Against number 15. Basket is good. By number 18, 43-30. To number 43, to number 9. Pass to number 15, floater, no. Rebound by 3. 3. Nope. Rebound by number 4. To 3-30 in favor of red. Number 15. Fakes. Sandali lang daw. Number 43. Pass to number 1. Number 1's on this. Left shot. No basket. Rebound by number 9.
Nice D.
Number 9, 43. Number 9 again. 2-step to number 4 for 3. No. Rebound by number 17, Joel. To John Hill. To number 3. Good shot. Number 9. 11 minutes, 45. Euro step, basket. 32-43. John Hill. to Boss Joel. Number 3 to number 25. Rebound by Black to number 1 to number 4. Basket is good by number 1. 34-43 in favor of red team. Setting the play to number 3. Janel for 3. Nope. Number 9 to number 15. Drop pass sa kampe. Number 4. Basket by number 4. Umahabol ng Black. 36-43. To Boss Joel for 3. Nope. One, number 43 to number 9. Red team. Ten minutes, 24. To Joel for 3. Pinasa pala. No. Accidental basket. I-score na lang namin kahit kanino yun. 45-36. Black, basket. Change 5, change 5. 38-45, favor of red.
Score kanina sa number 25 mo bigay. Sa pinakamalaki.
25 daw. Yung sa umiscore kanina sa red.
9 minutes 40 in the second quarter. 38-45. 47 fakes. No.
Okay, lakas mo konti.
To number 3, basket by number 3. 40-45, umahabol na ang Black. 5 points na lang. Lalagyan pa natin ng score, sabi ng red, 47. Foul ni number 3, Albert. First personal. First team foul by Black. Two shot by number 47, Morris. Basket by Morris, 46-40. Second shot, swap. 47-40. Darkinta, number 3. To Hurt. Drop pass to Albert. What a connection. 42-47.
Promote.
49-42. 8 minutes. Walang tama yung travel. Albert, basket, elbow shot. 44-49. Spins. Basket by Christopher. 51 ang red. 7 minutes 43. Albert sa gitna, natapik. Pinasa kampe, number 32. Favorite shot. RJ. RJ sa tres. Rebound by Albert. To Dominic. Dominic lumayap sa tres. Basket. 47-51. In favor pa rin ang red. Red babawi ba? Basket by Christopher. 3 points yun. 54-47. 7 minutes. Ferrer fakes. Ferrer basket. 49-54. Christopher again. For three. Nope, not this time. Rebound by Albert. Albert drop pass to number 32. Basket by number 32. $54, $51. Lamang para ng red. Christopher again sa tres. Not this time. Black ball. 6 minutes, 10. Albert to Dominic. Steal by RJ. RJ to number 10. Foul! And one. Who's foul, ref? Albert?
Dalawa sa Albert.
Albert, second personal. Second team foul by Black. Bonus shot by number 10.
Punch mo. Punch mo.
Change pa.
Change back. 57-51.
Pasok.
Black ball. Black ball. Second quarter, 5 minutes. Number 7 to number 7 also. Steal by 22. 18. Oh, Niluwa. Kuha na number 7 against number 3. Kick, red ball. Metras kaya, no? Half spin. Muntik naman steal. Pero 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Offensive foul by red by number 23.
Paulo na. Second. Number 22. Ilan na?
Number 22 ng Reds, first personal, first team foul. Black team shot, rebound by Red. Elbow shot, no. Kuha ni number 7. Basket by number 7.
Oh, di ba? Kulang pa sa skills.
Dinireview yung book.
Up, ano yan? Push daw, push.
May pag-gamitin tayo mo.
3 minutes. Boss Joel fakes. Dire-diretso basket by Boss Joel. Number 9. To 17. Forever 3. Tatlo na lang ang laman. 22. Sa Sakampe. Sa tres. Wala. Rebound. Ng Black. Number 9. Ferrer. Sandali lang daw. Ferrer. Bank shot. No. Rebound ng Sakampe. Number 7. Bola daw. Bola pa rin. 46 to shoot. Na-foul naman. 2 minutes and 6.
22, second personal foul, 13 foul.
Second personal foul, 13 foul by Red, 2 shot by number 1. No basket.
Box!
Hindi tumapit eh.
Basket, number 1. 57, 59, 2 points na lang. One minute 52. Red team, 14 seconds shot clock. 3 seconds. Black team, ang possession. Ayun na, sa black. Ferrer
Nice D! Nice D! Laga!
to 18 to Boss Joel. Power move. Down. Foul by number 9. Ng black. Olari. First personal, second team foul. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds. 14 seconds as per referee. Number 22 for 3. 20 number 3. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Basket. Line violation by black. Red team tayo. Baseline pass. Pinanik kay number 3. Na-steal ng black. To Ferrer. No! Rebound by 7. Red team tayo. Galing sa labas. 52 seconds. Running tayo, running. Running time tayo. 44 seconds. Teardrop? No! Rebound. 30 seconds. Ferrer, libre sa 3. 3 by John Ferrer. 60-61. Isa na lang lamang ng red. 10 seconds. Teardrop by Boss Joel. Basket. What a shot. Line violation. End of the second quarter.
Dalawang malaki.
63 red, 60 black.
Ano tayo, pre?
Change court na tayo.
Black basketball. All right, third quarter.
Bensa lang ha. Papahirapan mo malaki nyo. Bensa, halos na. Nice D!
Dominic for 3. No rebound. Red team.
Tingnan nyo, kailangan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo.
3 points. 2 points rather.
Baba na.
Black team. 60-63 in favor of
Baba, kailangan.
red. Basket is good. Salam, salam.
Nice shot. Depensa lang. Baba, ulang. Honestly. Stop.
Basket.
64-63. Tama ba? Ha? Tama yan.
Wala na kuha foul. Black team. Sa kakampi, pinasa. Drop pa sa 32. Hindi nakuha. Red team tayo. 13 minutes. Christopher sa 3. Kabilang ring naman. Kuha ni Dominic. To Albert. Albert! Basket by Albert. 66-63. Lamang na ang block for the first time. RJ for 3. No! John Hill. Basket by John Hill. 65-66. Albert teardrops. Kuha ni John Hill.
Kaya mo, sige.
John Hill. No.
Down.
Dominic. To Albert, his favorite teammate. Albert, pinasa kay Bakray. Hindi pala kasali yun. Referee pala siya ngayon. Christopher. To RJ sa 3. Wala. Sumasablay ang red ngayon.
Pagpili na pumulong kayo pag ano, tapos magtamad.
Red. 65. Black 66. Pajola sa 3. No. Rebound by Black 43. No. Put back. Wala. Nakuha ng red. Nakuha ng black. 3 points by Pajola. 69-65. RJ. Crossover. Albert to number 32. Pinitpit. Dipper, pinitpit. Siya kabila. Wala. Wala red. John Hill to Christopher. Christopher nakuha ng foul and 1. 67-69 in favor of Black. Bonus shot rather by Christopher. No basket. Number 32. No look pass. Christopher. Tumama sa tuhod ng kalaban. Sexy shot. Wala. Rebound by number 32. Albert. No foul down. 71-67 in favor of Black. Christopher rather. To his teammate wala. Sumasablay ang red ngayon. Momentum ang Black. Basket by Black. Ready. Change five.
73.
Official score 73-67 in favor of Black. 73 kayo. Oh. 73-67 lamang ang Black. 9 minutes 30 sa third quarter. Joel for three. No basket. Rebound by Black. Pwede ka mag-timeout ha. May isang timeout sa quarter. Black ball. Basket by Black ball. Number 10 to number 21. Fakes against number 1. Rebound ng red. Sandali lang daw. Number 22 sa 3. Wala. Pasa kay Boss Joel. Basket all alone. 69-75 in favor of Black. Number 15 to number 1. 8 minutes 30. Number 1 basket. 77-69. Wala. Nagmamalas ang red team. Block tayo. Basket by number 9. 79.
Pwede ka mag-timeout ha.
69. 10-point lead by Black. 14 seconds shot clock tayo. 10 seconds shot clock. Spins. Walang nakuha foul.
Sunod timeout ka.
Timeout. Red. 7 minutes. 32 ang oras natin. Official score 69-79 in favor of Black team.
Sir, may jersey pa isa.
Anong kulay? Anong kulay?
Black.
Ito, pa-register na lang dito.
Pero bayad na yun na...
Oo, pa-register na lang. Anong pangalan?
Eduarte.
Duarte. Sige, sige. Papasukin mo na para ano.
Black ball. Number 9. No basket. Red team tayo. To number 21. Basket by number 21. 7 minutes 10. 79-71. Black team ang lamang. 15 elbow shot. Basket. 81-71. Lamang ang Black. 6 minutes 55. Red team. Fake shot. No basket. Tapik ni Boss Joel. Wala. Kuha ng red. Red 21, 22 rather basket. 73-81. Black basketball. Number 9. Kuha ni number 4. Black basketball.
Timeout kayo? Ka-timeout kayo? Okay, okay, okay.
Time 6 minutes 10.
Timeout ako.
Traveling by Black. Red team.
Pag-change.
Red team, 5 minutes 45. Number 21. 21. Try niyang tinulapas pero hindi nakuha. Number 1. To number 9. To number 1. Basket. 83-73 in favor of Black. Red team. Sa tres kaya, number 10. Wala. Rebound by 15. 5 minutes and 10. Number 1. Rebound by Black. Tres ba yan? 3! Change by timeout by Black. Okay, in-update ko lang, in-update ko. Score.
Boys, 13 boys.
Check ko lang, official score.
87.
Official score, 86-73. Back to the ball game. Red team, red team. 4 minutes, 47.
May time out ba? Sa third.
Boss, may timeout ka ha?
Ganyan! Sige, ako lang! O silang yan, oh!
Christopher, sa tres. Mo momentum ka, wala. Try to save, vice teammate, wala nang walang block.
Baba!
Ferrer, sa tres ba? Fake news. Number 1, binalik sa number 7 for 3 points. Walang tawag.
Pag wala, bilis na! Talaga!
7 again. Ronnie number 3, Christopher. Babawi kaya, nakakuha ng foul. Foul by number 2.
Yan yung bago, yan bago. Sige, sige. Yan yung sinabi kanina eh. Oh, dati. Yan.
And Duarte, first personal, first team foul.
First team call ba?
Correction, third team foul by Platt.
Nice shot!
Basket is good by Christopher. 74-89. Okay, tama yung score. Second attempt, basket by Christopher. 75-89. 3 minutes, 24.
Alis sila kayo!
Ferrer sa tres. Wala this time. Rebound by Christopher. Foul by Ferrer. Ilan na si Ferrer? J.M. Ferrer. First personal, 14 foul by Black. 2 minutes, 55. Christopher for 3. No.
Nice na break!
Rebound by John number 3, left shot. Rebound by number 3, saves. John Hill.
Sasel, ganon!
12 second shot clock tayo.
Eh, tama yun!
8 to shoot. RJ for 3.
Uy, pre! Gusto tingnan! Depensa!
Black team. 7, wala. Kuha ng red. To RJ, to Christopher. Christopher, kuha ng foul by number 2. Number 2, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Fifth foul by Black.
15 call, no? Ilan ma-penalty? Ani?
Warning for penalty on Black. 2 shot by Christopher. 76-89.
Tama, 76.
Second attempt by Chris. Basket.
Kuba na agad! Kuba na agad! Huwag supunin
2
dyan!
minutes 55.
Walang tabi! Sige muna! Sit nyo na!
2 minutes 45. Black. John Ferrer for 3. Heat check. Good yun. Basket by Red.
Baba! Baba!
79-92. 2 minutes 22. Alves. Back to Alves. Now one foul by number 3.
Ilan si Teo? Tapos team foul.
First, tsaka
Number 3, first personal, 13 foul by Red. Black team for 3, basket. 3 points.
95.
Christopher. Alves again. Foul by Barawi.
Yan si Barawi.
First personal, 14 foul by Red. 2 shot by Alvis. 1 minute 44 sa third quarter. Official score 95, 79, 96, 79 in favor of Black. '97, 79. Red team. Babawi kaya ang Red.
Nicely!
Momentum sila ng first half na steal ng Black. Number one again, putback. Oh, Superman shot.
Kuha ni Alvis.
Alves. Basket by Alves. Lumalayo na ang Black. 101-79.
Ano kaya ang gagawin ng Red to scale up this game?
Double dribble.
Black team. Binigay at nababa. Double dribble tayo.
Pensa lang, pensa!
1 minute 40 seconds sa third quarter.
Trailing ang red team. 10 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds. Same ball, right? Red team. 1 minute 15. Wala. Same ball. 14 seconds.
Sige, sige, susundin yan.
1 minute 10. Number 3. Steal by Black.
Pinamimigay ang bola.
Ferrer. Put back by number 1. What a put back by number 1.
103 ba?
Wala.
103.
103-79. Alvis all the way. $30 seconds. Fakes. Black. Ferrer. 3 by Ferrer. Three by Barawi. 3 points by RJ. 82-108. 3 seconds. Ferrer again. End of the third quarter.
Anong gagawin ng Red para makahabol?
Teka, inom muna ka.
Last quarter.
Into interesting quarter sa red team kung makakahabol.
Dala.
Okay, okay, game. Marawin! Foul by number 43. First personal, first team foul. Three shot by RJ. Basket. Basket is good. Basket ulit, 85.
Depensa kayo, depensa.
108. Pwede pa yan. Mahaba pa. Number 4. 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Boss Joel. To RJ. To Christopher. Stack mom. Block.
Nice hustle. Sige.
14 second shot clock. Step mom, no good. Joel to Christopher. Sa tres. Kuha ni Boss Joel. Fakes. Basket is good.
Bilis, baba.
87.
Lang. Nice team. Over.
Number 1 to number 15 sa tres. No basket. Rebound by Boss Joel to RJ. RJ to 18 fakes. Christopher for 3. Not this time.
Ilang.
13 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 4 sa tres. Rebound by Boss Joel.
Ilan na si Joel ng rebound. Dami na.
RJ. 11 rebound by Boss Joel. 10 second shot clock. 3 by Barawit.
Ganun lang. Sige. Depensa nyo lang.
90, 108. Lamang pa rin ang block.
Gitna.
Block for 3.
Nice ball.
Rebound by Red. Pass to Christopher. Christopher. Same ball, 14 to shoot.
Nice drive. In New York na nakahabol eh.
Ayan, New York na, 29 points eh. Christopher, sa gitna. Foul is foul. Sa ulo daw. Sabi ni Rep. 2 shot by Christopher. Number 15. First personal foul. First team foul by Black. 2 shot by Halacruz. Basket. Red is trailing by 17. Basket again. Red is trailing by 16 points.
Baba na. Nice shot, pre. Sige.
Lamang ng 16 points ang Black. 108-92. Number 2, traveling. Timeout. Black team. Official score 108. Back to the ball game.
Bola natin. Bola ka. Tulong kayo.
Barawit.
Kapit Jay.
Christopher, pumaporma sa 3. 10 seconds shot clock.
My God. Yes, yes. Tandi, balik na. Wala namang gagawa doon. Ayun na, oh. Depensa lang. Honesty, honesty.
Behind the scene pass. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 15 sa 3. Wala. Rebound by 47. Red team. Barawit. Babawi ang red. Christopher for 3. No. Rebound by Barawit. He's fouled by number 15.
Dalawa na yun, no?
Second personal foul, second team foul.
Number 15, second personal foul, second team foul by Black. 2 shot by Barawit. Kapos.
Alam mo, Jay?
Ten minutes, 49.
Sige lang.
Rebound by Joel. Joel! Oh, dinawa.
Yes, yes. Nice rebound doon.
10 minutes, 40.
Tulong.
3 by number 1. Red team, 1-1-1-92. 10 minutes and 20.
O, change pipe lang. Hindi magkakalala.
Boss Joel, wala. Basket by Black. Change 5. Change 5.
113.
92 ay 94 na.
Hindi, ito itong black.
1-1-1.
111.
Back to the ball game. Okay, good. Di ba yan? Fakes. Christopher, left shot. Rebound by 9. Block team. Ferrer. Rebound ng red. Wala. Kuha ng block. Nine minutes 30. Number 7, Alvis for 3. Rebound by Black again. Rebound by Joel. Joel to Christopher. He's fouled. 9 minutes 12.
Ilang personal.
17, first personal foul. 13 foul by Black. Number 22, he's fouled and one.
Nice shot.
One shot by number 22, bonus shot.
Sino yung foul? Ilan?
Number 1 on Black. First personal foul. 14 foul by Black. Basket by number 22. 97, 1-1-1. Ferrer for 3. Wala. Red team. Halakas sa 3. 3 points. 100. 111.
Sina lang oh.
11 na lang ang lamang ng black.
Hindi kayo, okay, okay.
Ferrer. Rebound by Chris. To Joel. All the way to the cup by Red.
Balik ulit, depensa.
102.
Jump lang, jump.
8 minutes 10. Alves. 10 seconds to shoot. Ferrer. 3 points by Ferrer. Tutukan wala. Gusto ata ng 3 points ng red team. 3 points left? 3 points? 2 points? Okay. 114, 104. 7 minutes and 22. Block for 3 by number 9. Halakas sa 3. 3 points by Christopher. 107. 117. 6 minutes and 55. Alves. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Steal by red team by number 22. No look pass. Black team tayo. Line ball violation.
Kayo huwag na fancy pass, tatlo kayo ito no.
No fancy pass now. Red is trailing by 10. 6 minutes and 25. Umiinit ang ulo ng play coach natin, si Vic.
Nice rebound.
Nice rebound by Red. By Black rather. Steal by Red. Bumabawi. Bumabawi, coach. Bumabawi.
Sana na, team picture na lang.
Charge mo na. Charge mo na kaya dito yung charge.
Time out, time out.
Time out. Black. Time out. Black. Kaya pa yan, kaya pa. 109, 117.
Maga pa. Dali lang. Charge mo na? Okay.
Napan-change leg ka mo, wala pa.
Wala pang change wave ha. 51 seconds pa. Sandali na, mag-charge na kami. Okay na, okay. Back to the ball game. Official score as I checked, as I double checked. 117-109 in favor of Black Team. Last quarter, 5 minutes and 51 seconds. Kaya pa yan. Alley-oop, sayang. Ferrer. Steal. Black.
Kasi after the game natin sunod tayo.
Oo.
5 minutes 30.
Pensa lang ulit, kabilang, ulang isa.
No good.
Ulit!
Pagsimot.
Time out kayo.
Wala pa.
Tuloy lang kuya, tuloy lang.
Wala. Number 1, rebound. Wala again.
Nice!
Red team. Tupas Jamel. Basket and 1.
Wala.
Time out. Black.
Hindi na.
Ay, sorry. Correction. Change 5. Iwan si Boss Joel as throw the bonus shot.
Palitan mo sila.
Dali, dali. 1-0. Okay, 111, 117. Bonus shot by Boss Joel. What a shot. Bonus shot. Basket is good. Nag-change time ka ba, boss? Okay, good. Good. Offensive foul. Rep, sandali.
I-change si Joel yung shot.
Di pa sila change 5, boss D.
Okay na, sige.
Pwede lang siya
Oo, pwede na. Last 5 minutes na eh.
Good. Back to the ball game. Five-point lead na lang ang Black. Halakor sa tres. Rebound by Boss Joel. Joel sa tres, Freaks. Sa counter number 21, Freaks. Basket is good. What a crucial shot by red team. Bigla na lang. Tatlo na lamang. Trailing by 3, 117, 114. 4 minutes and 5. 10 seconds to shoot. Red team steal. Red team dire-diretso. One foul. Foul moves from left. Pushing by number
5?
5. Second personal. Warning for penalty on Black team. 2 shot by Christopher. Basket.
Bala. Depensa na kayo.
Basket.
Nice. Depensa.
Focus tayo. Magla-last 3 minutes na tayo. Focus. 32. 32 Black. Traveling. Red team. Last 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Halak na sa tres.
Nice rebound!
Rebound by Red. Red fix. Basket is good. Lamang na ang Red. Ganon lang.
Sige. Pressure.
Bola. Wala. Red team. 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Dalawang timeout sa port. Timeout kayo? O, timeout daw sila. Ano?
Live ball tayo, live ball. 3 points sa Red. Wala. Rebound by 32.
Baba!
Dominic sa tres. Rebound. Foul. And 1.
Basket tayo, foul number 16.
Tama pag-shoot. Okay. Bonus shot by Kurt.
Sino?
Christopher. First personal foul. Warning for penalty ang Red. Bonus shot by Kurt.
19 foul sa'yo.
Basket.
Fourth na kami 15 minutes yan.
Timeout. Red.
Lamang kayo, tas
Official score 120-119 in favor of Black.
team foul lang yan, 15 minutes.
Hindi, ano mo na. 6 lang. Kaya yung ano, pang video. Ay, dali. Buksan ko nga ito.
Lamang kayo, tas nakados sila eh. Kaya isa lang.
Sila lang pangakamisa.
Pero may ng, ano mo, ng cellphone mo.
Kami 119 sila.
Mag, ano, baka kasi ano eh. Video. Black. Black ang lamang, 120.
Labang isa.
Joel! He's fouled!
Penalty ah. Second personal foul penalty.
Two shot by Joel. Black is in penalty situation. All 120. Basket is good. Second shot.
Babala!
No basket.
Kulang sila!
All 120. Rebound by Joel.
Rebound uli ni Joel.
Offensive rebound by Joel. Last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds rather. 3 points attempt. Wala. Albert.
Pensa, sige lang.
Albert to Dominic. To 32. Wala. Foul by Christopher. Second personal foul.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Both teams are in penalty, no?
Both teams are in penalty situation. Two shot by number 32. Basket is good. 121, 120 in favor of Black. Last shot. Basket. 122, 120.
Pre. Walang alangad.
Wala.
Bilang!
32. 32 again. Traveling as per referee. Traveling violation.
Big. May challenge kayo. May challenge nire-record ko. Pwede i-challenge siya.
Last 36 seconds. Christopher for 3. No, rebound by 32.
Time out po ba kami?
May tanong pa sila?
Wala na timeout ang red. 12 second shot clock. Basket. 20 seconds. Last 17 seconds.
Ha? Oh, sige. Dalawa.
Last 17 seconds. Last 12 seconds. Last 6 seconds. Nice game. Kamay tayo. Salamat. Nice game. Official score 126-120.
Ha?
Cellphone. Listahan.
Barya lang tayo. Barya. Thank you.
Mako. Team picture kami.
Pwede rin team picture, pwede rin.
Na ako. Sayang. Oy, Jason to.